Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to share with you how can I build applications over the night, and you can build any type of applications. You have an idea to build an applications, and after the build application you can publish the applications. You don't need to know any knowledge about this. So I am using AI to build applications rapidly over the night, or you can build application in few hours or few minutes actually. Let's build an applications and try to publish on Google Play Store. Let's how can we do that? On the screen I will share details about the idea to build applications and publish on Google Play Store. So it is a great video, so let's get started. You can see that there are two tasks I already added. If I want to delete the task, I can delete the task, and here is the great title and short description of today. And you can see all the task is in here, and also you can see the settings. On settings option you can change the theme, you can change the notifications options from here, and you can clean all the tasks. You can see the version, privacy policy, and everything. Okay, and all the features of to-do list applications. And you can also add any to-do list, demo task, demo description, and priority high. And if I save it, you can see that it's saved, right? And I can also add any task here, and you will see, okay, the notification also, task is notifying also. Let's see how task is notifying, and let's save it. I think I don't provide yet. And if save it, then you can see that notification is coming, right? I use Cursor AI. You can download Cursor from cursor.com website, official website. From that you can see that when we go to cursor.com, you can see that download option. You can just download your device, like if you use Windows, then you will see that we download for Windows. You use Linux, then you will see that download for Linux. I am using Mac, so that the website detect my device and recommend to download that. Okay, after the download you can just install like any applications which you installed on your device, like that same process to installation. Okay, let's open the terminal. And also I am using React Native Expo, so I'm going to their official website, export React Native doc. Okay, just searching on Google and going to the documentation of their official website. From that I am just copying the template actually. Okay, and from that build to-do list application. So let's create an application to do app. Okay, and open it, and open in terminal and putting the, and this is to do list app. I'm providing the name of the app actually. It will be the a template for the applications. Let's see what is happening here. It will take a few minutes or sometimes few seconds. It depend on your internet speed actually. Let's wait for it. In the meantime, I want to share the React Native Expo is a very rapid growing framework top of the React, which built by Facebook, and other close platform tools is Flutter, who is built by Google. And React, when you use React Native, there are lots of benefits to use it. You can use free tools like over the year, if you change anything from your app, and you will immediately see on the production app. It is like it tell about like over the year you can change your app interface, and some built-in features available on Expo top of the React Native, and also like your Next.js file-based routing available on the Expo. Let's sort for it. Okay, I think almost done. Let's make it bigger. Yes, it's almost done, and I'm going to, it's done. I'm opening the Cursor app. You can just download from the Cursor website and you can open it, and when you open the Cursor you will see the blank page. Actually, let's do the again open. I think force stop. Okay, let's open a folder on the Cursor based on Visual Studio Code. I have already built the app in here, which is template, and lots of template code here. So let's make it bigger, and when you open the Cursor you will see this type of interface here. After opening the file, click Command I, and when you click on Shift at the rate, then you will see that lots of option here. I am providing code base. That means first of all you have to provide the project informations, what is the status on your project. So I have initialized a project and tell them this is my project. Actually, this is my project. Okay, just providing a prompt on Compose on AI, Cursor AI actually. So it is reading our file. You can see that reading. I see you have fresh Expo project React Native that appear to set up to-do list. This project uses those features actually they provide, and I'm just opening as a editor. Okay. Let's provide our prompt to build to-do list application. I want to build to-do list application which will be modern and provide all user friendly features. Also UI will be good for users. User can put time so that app will remind them. Just providing simple casual prompt. Let's see it's create anything in here or not. Okay, it's just creating some folders and files actually. Okay, they are created store file created, and they also added type for that. You can see that package.json there are some added few thing on here, also added few thing. We don't need to know anything about that. Okay, we just follow the instruction. After prompt they created this one, secondly they created this one, thirdly they created this one, fourthly and they also created the file. Okay, I'm just abstracting all here. Okay, and on the red flag there are some issues they are providing. I'm just hover over on that, and let's click on fix in Compose AI. I'm just Okay, so they provide you need to install missing dependencies, run on command line. Let's run it. It's running. Okay, running is done. That means I can delete the terminal here, and everything is fine. Let's see what is happening on the app. So npm or start allow and open Android device, Android emulator actually, so that I can also I can use iOS emulator. Opening Pixel 9. Okay, the app is, I'm just closing this. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, let's reload the app again, or open the app again. Let's close it. In the meantime, I can also open the iOS emulator simulator actually. Let's see on iOS device it will work or not. It's sometimes Android device providing some errors. Okay, I'm closing those. We don't need. Still, we don't write any code here, right? We just providing some command according to the composer. Installing Expo Go iPhone 16 Pro. Let's see. Okay, I have simulator opened. Yes. What is the issues? Okay, let's close the Android emulator. It's taking quite much time, and here is the issues. Okay, Again, opening the iOS, just putting I, clicking I button, and it directly open the iOS device. Okay, they're trying to open the iOS simulator. Let's open it and putting my fetch on the bottom so that you can see everything what I am doing. Okay, it's nothing happened, right? Okay, let's providing remove all the initial code and just provide get interface for to-do list app. Okay, let's see what they're doing. Because the initial code is here already, so I'm just providing the remove all the code, and you can see that you need to install missing dependency. Okay, it's done, and I will help to create clean modern interface to-do list application. Let's start maintaining layout. From the layout, just changing those. Okay, accept all, and let's see. Nothing is happening here, right? So let's, okay, when I reload to the app, there will be some warning here. I will check it later, and you can see that the to-do list application interface is created. Okay, and here is the explore tab, and on the explore tab, provide some settings options and also complete the setting options. That means I provided a command here that there is explore option. It is the demo, still demo code here, so it will remove the demo code and provide a setting option here, like the app. Okay, let's check it if it's working or not. It's not working. Let's still, okay, I'm just accepting all the code. Okay, and reloading the code again and setting. Okay, they created a settings. Great. Okay, it's not working. Notification not working. Not working. Backup also not working. Clean. Okay, not working. Okay, just delete the explore tab. Looking good. Setting option is looking good, right? Okay, they tell me I will help you to remove the explore already correctly. Replace, okay, tab. Okay, layout currently, then RM. Okay, they want to provide this. Okay, or structure. They are providing we got this error. Okay, There are error occurring interrupt the path especially. Okay, let's run this. Okay, now going to this one and reload the app. Okay, again, and now to already have. Okay, when I click on this, the blank page is open. So when I try to add to do on floating button, there are no pages. So create an pages to add to do list. Okay, they created a new task.tsx file. Hmm. They're generating. Okay, okay, they told that you first of all you have to run this. Okay, let me accept it and run this, and we don't need this actually. And they installing a packages which name is React Native Community Date Time Picker. Okay, let's install it. And we don't need this terminal again, and let's run the app again. Okay, now clicking on add. Okay, that's a great UI, right? Okay, let's provide a demo task title. Okay, let me make it bigger. Demo task title. This is demo description. Okay, low priority, medium priority, high priority. I'm just providing priority and providing a date, and let's save it. Okay, let's see the task is saved or not. Okay, what's the issues? Task title, task description, priority low dilam, reminder at করলাম. Okay, let's save it. Okay. There was an issues. Okay, I'm just telling. Let's do it. Thanks, it's great. But when I try to add task, I can't see anything on the main interface. Okay, Now reload the app. No task for today. Okay, let's here is the all task options, today's task and all task. Okay, let's create a task again. I'm just putting it. Task 1 title, task 1 description, medium priority, add reminder. Okay, let's save it, and you can see that great UI is also great, right? Okay, and if I go to all task, you can see that task is here. Okay, if I reload the app, let's see. Okay, when I reload the app, task is gone away, right? There are no tasks, all tasks there. Okay, when I reload the app, there are no tasks, but I have already added an task. Is there any issues with saving the task in locally? Okay, let's accept it. Wow, the task is here, right? When I reload the app, the task is here. All task is here, and let's create another task. Task 2. Okay, task 2 days, and it's a high priority, and it's, what is the time? Let's putting okay, and let's save it. Here is the you can see that the color and this color is different because we provided medium, high and low priority, right? That's why this is happening. Okay, that's good, right? Okay, let's see. There are reminder time, but the app don't provide any reminder, right? Here's the time. Let's create another one for 3 a.m. or 1 a.m. They are getting expo notification. Okay, they instruct first install the notification. Let's install the notification first of all. Okay, notification is installed. Let's delete it and accept all in of it and to reload the app. Functionality fully support Expogo. Recommend to use development build limitations. Okay, no issues. And when we reload the app, you can see that there are prompt opened to permission to request send notification maybe include alert sound icon based. You can configure in setting. Let's allow it and create another task. Task 3. Task 3 descriptions and its priority high and provide reminder 3.3. Actually, let's do this. Okay, save it. And you are using deprecated data times and there are issues. Actually, let's figure it out. What's the issues? Okay, there are lots of issues. Notification and notification id. I think this is the issues and solve the issues. Okay. Okay, there are also one issues still showing. Right, here is it. Okay, now it's solved and let's reload the app. Let's see. Okay, the notification is here. You can see that notification working great. Okay, and the first to do, and if I click on all, yeah, it's working fine. And setting, backup options, version, also provide versions. Delete all task. Let's click on it, but it will not work. We don't need backup right now. Default reminder time 9 a.m. Okay, it's no problem. Notification okay. There are some features of settings button, so make those button functional. On the setting tab there are some button you provided, but those button are not functional, so make those button functional. We don't need backup button right now. Okay, let's accept it. Okay, let's reload the app and all task. If I delete the task is deleting. Here is the also deleting, and clicking on settings. Theme automatically set on based on preference. Okay, it's providing notification settings. It goes to notification settings, that means it's working. Clean all the task, version and privacy policy. It's going to privacy policy page, so it's working well. Okay, it's done. And help and support, and support URL. Okay, it's great for now. Let's see how it's work on dark mode, right? Let's almost our app is done. Let's go to home page. Let's go to home and go to setting, then settings and appearance, general, or just search. How can I make it dark mode? Let's go home. Dark. Okay, dark mode here, where it is. Let's open the dark mode. What? Okay, dark appearance, dark view default. Okay, let's go to home and open the app Expo Go. Nothing is happening, right? Okay. I think app is ready, right? Okay, we can delete, and if I click on all the task, or if I go to all the clean task, oh, task is gone. So let's create a task. Dinner time. I want to check dinner at perfect time. High priority and setting time and saving it. Okay. And what if I added any task in 11th morning workout? 1 to go to gym exact time. One exact time, right? Let's extract, saving it. Okay, I can't edit the app, right? We don't need to edit, we just delete it. Reminder 31, high priority, morning workout, demo description. Let's save it. Okay, time is not changing. What is the issue? Here is the, what is the issue? See here. Let's reload the app again. Okay, let's provide date 31, just demo. Let's save it. Okay, reminder is working well, but when I set reminder for future date, it all the it picks today's date all the time. Okay, here is the issues when you provide any date in future date, like uh, 30 January or 31 January, but it's all time providing January 29. So it's an issues. Let's fix it. Okay, I think they fix it. Okay, and I think they fix it. Let's see and reload the app again. Okay, just delete it. Same, and providing 31. Let's save it. Okay, it's not working. Still it pick today's date. Let's check another one. 31, right? Hi, waiting. No. Low this time. Let's providing 30. No. What is the issues actually? Okay, everything is working fine, right? Let change the app icon or try to open on Android emulator. I think it's take few times, so at the time we will create the icon for the to-do list app. So let's create an icon for that I am going to Safari browser and open canva.com to build an app icon. Okay, it's running on an Android device, right? There is an issues. I think it's not an app issues. It's expo issues, I think. Okay, let's create a new design. I'll see it later. Custom size 512 by 512. Create the design. Reminder. Okay, just putting it on here. And provide some text. Change the icon. Okay, it's perfect. Or this one is great. Okay, just adding some text. Remind. To do reminder. I think reminder. Okay, let's make it little fancy. Yeah, it's middle, and also it's middle, making it closer and providing color. Yeah, and I think it's good, right? Let's download the icon. Download it. It's downloaded. Okay, reminder.png. Let's change the name from here. Logo. Okay, and let's copy it. And here you can see that on Expo app there are a option app.json file, right? And you can see that asset.image.icon.png, right? Image.asset.icon.png, assets.image, and there are some images. Icon partial icon, we don't need those, and flash icon. So every icon I have to change. So provide adaptive icon, just provide an icon name here. Let's go to paste the logo.png here, and from the app.json, actually we can change the logo here. Also we can change logo. We can also change the aspect ratio for adaptive icon or web icon, fab icon. Also I provide the logo, same here. And for splash, actually I can also provide the splash icon here, logo, and let's save it and see on the device. Let's go to home. Okay, reload the app at first. Let's try to reload. Okay, app is reloaded. So let's see icon is changed or not. You can see that icon is changed, right? Okay, our application is done. Now we will upload the application on Google Play Store. To application Google Play Store, we need few things. Let's see how much thing we need. And for that, first of all, we need app bundle file. So we have to create app bundle file. Then we need app bundle file. We need app icon, which we already built. Then app banner for app screenshots, some pages screenshots actually, and privacy policy. We need privacy policy for the app, how user can use the app, how can we manage their privacy policy. Then sixth thing is, okay, almost everything is done with this. So first of all, we have to build app bundle file, right? Then we have already created icon, and we can add banner. We can also add screenshots and privacy policies. So let's build first one. To build the bundle file, you can use EAS build, which is expo build. So I am going to their official websites. From here, official websites, so EAS build, I'm going to EAS build and clicking on this. First of all, you have to install the EAS CLI to your device globally. So just copy it and open terminal and paste it there. It will install your EAS CLI. After that, you have to log in with EAS login. That means you have to create an account with expo dev website, you have to create an account on that. Just create an account and log in with your terminal. Like I'm going, if I put the command on here, then it will ask for, I have already logged in, so they want to, do you want to continue? If I click on continue, they are asking for email address or username and password they will asking, then I can log in with that. I have already logged in, that's why I'm not logged in right now. So after that, to configuring the project, we can configure the projects. Just copy it and paste it here, it will configure automatically, right? And after that, you can just provide EAS build platform Android. That means we want to build Android application, not for iOS right now. If you want to use the iOS, then you can also build the iOS app. Just copy it and paste it on here. Just clearing the terminal and just hit enter, it will be okay. I have already done this, and after that you will see on here the project. Actually all the project you will see here, I'm just navigating this project. You can see that download options. Just clicking on download, it will download the bundle file, which is a file. We don't need to create any anything actually. It's simple, right? I have already downloaded this on here. So let's build the applications. It's tried to download again. It's downloading. Okay, no problem. You can download it again. Okay, done. That means our first option is done. And I already created icon, and on that I already created banner. You can create the banner and to take some screenshots of your app screens. And privacy policy, I have created privacy policy. You can create privacy policy anytime from websites like privacy policy generator for app, right? You can go any website and you can create privacy policy for your app. It's easy. Okay, then let's create an applications on Google Play Console. I'm creating app which name is to do reminder, to do reminder. Okay, it's app, it's not game, it's free actually. Sorry, yeah, to do reminder. It's app, not game, it's free app. And some declaration we have to obey, so tick mark on that and create the applications. That means your application is initialized on the Google Play Console account. Okay, then going to the dashboard, and you can see that when the app is initialized, you will see this type of dashboard. First of all, internal testing, then finish, we have to finish some settings. Like when we go to any play store on app, then we will see something like if I go to Play Store, play.google, if I click any of the application like Hello King, you can see that there is a video, some screenshots and some short descriptions, and data safety form, and there is some review. We don't need to write review. About app, you will see the description of the app. So we have to provide those from the finish setting section, and after that we have to upload our app on close testing section. Then we can test the app for 14 days with 12 people. Then you can publish your app on Google Play Store and make it live, and you can earn money from your idea to app to earn money. So simple. Okay, let's finish our settings first of all. And here is the first setting is privacy policy. We have to create privacy policy and generate the link of privacy policy. So I have already created, and I have just saved it on here, copying it and paste it in here, and I have saved it. Let's go to dashboard again. That means my first step is done. Second step is app access. I don't need this right now. Okay, then our app has no logged in feature, so all functionality in my app available without any access of restriction. If you have any restriction, like if you user not logged in, then you cannot shown you the post or something like that. Like if you logged in with Facebook, then you can see the post. Without logged in, you cannot see any post right now. That's why actually. So I app don't have any access of the app and app address. The app has no ads right now, but I will add some ads, a Google Ad Mode app or any other ads network I will implement. Then I will change it from here. And content rating, there are some questionnaires available. We have to provide the questionnaires, and you have to put your email address. I'm just putting email address here. I'm sorry. I'm agree all type of applications and downloaded app. Okay, if there any violation like sex violations, language to download the app, then you can provide yes. I'm just providing no. You have to read all the questions, and according to your app you have to provide the answer. Don't, if there is a mismatch with your app and information, then Google will reject the app. So be careful about it. Content sharing, user content sharing, no. Online content, there is no online content. Promotion, age restriction, no. For my app, not miscellaneous, okay, no. App allow user to purchase digital good, no. Include reward gift, no. App is web browser or search engine, no. Primarily news, no. So I'm just saving it, submitting, and clicking on next and save it. Okay, and this is done. Content rating, I think, yeah, content rating done. Let's target audience. Our target audience is above, so I'm saving it and clicking on dashboard again. Okay, news app, is it news app? No, this is not a news app, it's just a to-do list applications, right? Data safety, okay, data safety. Next, collect or share any information, yes, I collect and don't share. Right now it's not collecting or sharing anything, so that's why I'm just putting it no and clicking on dashboard. Government app, it's not government app, that's why I'm clicking on not, no. And financial features, there is no financial features, that's why I'm putting it. According to your app you have to select on those. Next and save. Okay, Then health feature, there is no health feature, that's why I'm clicking on it and saving it. Going to dashboard again. App category, we have to provide app category. It's like tools to education, financial, lifestyle. It's lifestyle. No education, medical, lifestyle, demo, house, home, food, finance, events. I think it's called event or communication, business, beauty, art. I think it's event, right? To-do list. Yeah, it's event type. I'm saving it. Okay. It's saved, I think, and manage tools. Business. I'm just putting any category and just putting the store listing contact and saving it. Only email address is compulsory required field, but there are no required field like phone number and website. It's done. Okay, there is done. Let's clicking on dashboard, and from here set up your store listing. Okay, my app name is to do reminder. There is a short description. Save your task and get reminder on time to keep your work organized. You can use this app if you add any task and use time to remind the app automatically remind you. Just I'm providing short description. Okay, let's select the app icon from this one. I think to-do list app. Yeah, the logo is 112 by 112 aspect ratio, and for the graphic feature banner, you can see it here. Just uploading it the banner. There are no video link, so I am providing some screenshots. Okay, also providing same screenshot right now. I will change it later if I need it. And also it's accepting, right? So I'm providing same. And Chromebook is not compulsory or required, that's why I'm putting it like as it is. Let's saving it. It's saved, right? And let's go to dashboard of the app, and you can see that the settings option gone away. So we will start with close testing. I'm not going with internal testing. You can explore it. Selecting countries, all countries I am going to select. Okay, it's done. And on the testing section, here is the important thing is, when you publish your applications, you have to test with 12 people for 14 days, right? And on who will test your application, just put their Gmail address on the email list. Like you can create a list like testers list, and you can put the testers mail here, right? And put enter. And if you have another one, then you can also provide that. You can also provide this list. I'm not providing the list because I have a Google group. Already team added on Google group, they can easily download their app. That's why I'm selecting the Google group, and I'm providing my Google group address .com, right? Google group is added, and let's saving it. Okay, release option, and I'm creating click new release. That means we have to upload our bundle file which we created before. Let's find out the bundle. I think downloaded the bundle file here, and let's upload it. It's 53.6 MB. It will reduce when the app will be ready to Play Store to install. Okay, it's taking few seconds actually. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's done. Release name, it's just initial release. Okay, it's checking, I think. Optimizing for distribution. Okay, I think you can't see the bottom option. I'm really sorry, but there will be just few button like next or save or cancel button. For my image, I think you can't see anything. Let's see. Okay, it's done. Okay, next button is come here. Okay, let's saving it. There is an issues. Go to declaration. Full screen intended. We use full screen intended for alarm clock. Yes, alarm clock. And instead, do you use permission to be granted? Yes, taken permission. That means our app is remind, so notification access we have need. So that's why it's asking actually. Okay, and there is one error. We are just ignoring it right now and saving it, and going to overview. Okay, I'm sending the 13 changes for review, right? Okay, when I sending the 13 changes for review, then I'm going to dashboard. You can see that it's in review. That means Google are reviewing the app. After ending of the review, Google release the app. When Google release the app, when first option is done, second option is done, then it's started countdown 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day, up to 14 days. So when 14 days will be done, then application for production button will be clickable. Then when clicking on application for production button, then user Google provided a form. We have to fill up the form. How can I do this? I have already published few videos on it, so you can find on the description box link, or I will provide the app on the screen. You can just see the video from there, and it will be better